open about it, na whether we work together or not, we're very supportive of each other. And I'm just excited to see where this journey takes us. And I know that he's gonna do great and amazing things.
Ikaw naman, Donnie, do you have anything to say?
Hindi, and you. Yun ang sabi ko, and you.
Yes. Pero it's okay, diba? Again, we are very happy for you guys. We're excited to see where this path takes you. And we can't wait for your future projects, individually and hopefully next time, diba? When the perfect timing comes together ulit. Yes. Diba? Sabi nila ng friends from the media natin, thank you, Donnie and Bel.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Love namin kayo lahat. Walang iiyak ka. Walang iiyak.
Tissue po, please.
Yes, tama yung tissue po dyan. But thank you so much, Donnie and Bel.